Hi guys, today I'll show you how to replace the door handles on the fridge. This one is not too complicated. Some of them they are more complicated, but that's what we've got for now. That's as well the Whirlpool fridge with the screws on the top for the freezer door. Two screws on the top and one screw, two screws at the bottom. Okay, you just unscrew them, get the handle out, put a new one in. The same procedure over here with the slight difference of two screws on the top for the fridge door, and there's a hidden screw in here, so you just pop this cover up with the tiny screwdriver and you'll see the little screw in there. You unscrew it and the handle will pop out very easy. Same thing you do with the new one. Screw it first on the top here, and you screw it at the bottom. With the temperature, many people they're asking where should I keep the temperature setting. So this is very individual, so you can keep it anywhere you like. Whatever settings are giving to you, these are safe settings. This particular fridge having from 1 to 5, so every number, every change in the number, one number is 24 hours. So let's say if you go from 3 to 5, so you have to give 48 hours for adjustment in order to see the difference. It won't change anything right away. On the electronic fridges, there's a recommended settings, which means only that from the manufacturer, if you plug the fridge into the outlet, it just goes automatically to preset temperature settings, which is normally 0 for the freezer and 37 for the fridge. Nothing else. It's not really recommended settings. It's just set pre-programmed by default from the manufacturer. As well, there is no recommended setting. Whatever you have is all for your convenience, and basically just works the best way you like it. If you like it colder, you put it colder. If you like it warmer, you put it warmer. That's all. So the next video will be about the gaskets on these doors. Put it to replace and diagnose if there is a leak in the unit.